Right now, as you watch this video, there's a 1 in 4 chance that if you drive a GM truck, your engine could catastrophically explode without any warning. Zero. None. Nada. We're not talking about a check engine light or weird noises. We're talking about your V8 engine seizing at 70 miles per hour with your family inside, potentially causing a multi-car pileup that could end lives. 847,000 death traps are rolling down American highways right now, and GM is praying you don't find out what I'm about to reveal. The smoking gun leak. Here's what will blow your mind. A GM insider just leaked documents proving the company has known about these killer engine defects for 3 years. They chose profits over your life. Meet Jake Rodriguez from Texas. Bought his dream Silverado for his construction business. 6 months later, bam! Engine seized on I-35 doing 65 miles per hour. No warning. His truck became a 5,000-pound missile that nearly took out an entire family in a minivan. I literally thought we were all going to die, Jake told us, his voice still shaking months later. The engine it stopped, dead, like someone flipped a kill switch. The repair estimate? $13,500 for a truck with 28,000 miles. But here's the insane part. This wasn't an accident. Internal memos prove GM engineers begged management to recall these engines in 2022. Instead, they got fired. The whistleblower who risked everything. Sarah Chen, a 15-year GM powertrain engineer, couldn't stay silent anymore. She leaked the memo that will end careers and cost GM billions. The memo's exact words: immediate engine seizure risk, no diagnostic warning possible. When Sarah tried to sound the alarm internally, GM locked her out of computer systems, stripped her security clearance, and moved her to a basement office with no windows. The message was crystal clear: shut up or get destroyed. She told me I was creating liability issues, Sarah reveals exclusively. Translation: telling the truth about engines that could kill people was bad for business.
The manufacturing disaster nobody saw coming. Between March 2021 and May 2024, GM's St. Catharines plant was pumping out V8 engines with crankshafts that were literally ticking time bombs. The surface finish was off by 0.003 of an inch. Sounds tiny? In engine tolerances, that's like building a skyscraper with a foundation that's off by 10 feet. Master engine builder Tony Valdez breaks it down. These crankshafts are essentially grinding themselves to death from day one. The oil film breaks down, metal hits metal, and when those bearings spin, it's game over instantly. The scariest part? There's no warning, no check engine light, no strange sounds. 1 second you're cruising, the next you're a sitting duck in traffic with a dead engine. GM's pathetic fix exposed. Ready for this? GM's billion-dollar solution to engines that can kill you? A different oil sticker. That's it. They're telling you to use thicker oil and hope your engine survives long enough to get past warranty. It's like fixing a broken leg with a Band-Aid and hoping nobody notices you're still limping. This isn't a fix, it's a cover-up, explains automotive forensics expert Dr. Lisa Park. They're buying time until these engines fail after warranty expires, making it your problem, not theirs.
The Corvette conspiracy. Here's what will make you furious. GM knows exactly how to build bulletproof V8 engines. Their Corvettes use the same basic design with 0 failures. None. Ever. Why? Because Corvette buyers pay $80,000 and expect perfection. Truck buyers? GM figured they could get away with cheap, defective parts and nobody would notice. The difference is night and day. Corvette engines? Forged steel connecting rods, precision machining, triple oil pumps. Truck engines? Cheap powder metal rods, sloppy tolerances, cost-cutting everywhere. It's automotive apartheid, says industry insider Mark Stevens. Premium engineering for rich buyers, death traps for working families. The class action earthquake. October 2022. GM loses massive class action lawsuit. Jury awards $2,700 per vehicle after seeing internal documents proving GM knew their engines were defective. The jury foreman's devastating words. GM treated their customers like crash test dummies in a corporate profit experiment. But that was just the beginning. 3 more class actions are pending, with over $500 million in damages hanging over GM's head. The paper trail of deception. Court documents reveal GM's 3-step cover-up strategy. 1. Deny. Oil consumption is normal. 2. Delay. Stall until warranties expire. And 3. Deflect. Blame owners for inadequate maintenance. Internal emails show executives laughing about stupid customers who believed their marketing promises. One executive wrote, "By the time these engines grenade, most will be out of warranty. Problem solved." Problem solved? Tell that to the families whose lives were put at risk.
The current body count. NHTSA investigation files show 847,000 vehicles under investigation, 2,300 plus owner complaints filed, 156 highway incidents reported, 12 near-miss accidents documented. And these are just the cases we know about. How many unreported incidents happen because owners don't realize they can file complaints? Protect yourself now. Action plan. If you own a 2019 to 2024 GM truck or SUV with V8 engine, check your VIN immediately at NHTSA.gov recall lookup. Document everything, every oil change, every weird noise. Join the fight. File NHTSA complaint even if no problems yet. Spread the word. Warn every GM owner you know. Thinking of buying GM? Don't. Not until they actually fix the problem, instead of slapping Band-Aid on ticking time bombs. The choice is yours. GM spent billions on most dependable marketing while engineering engines that could fail catastrophically without warning. They silenced whistleblowers who tried to protect you. They chose profits over your family's safety. Now you get to choose. Stay silent and become another casualty, or fight back and force them to do what's right. Smash that subscribe button if you want us to keep exposing corporate cover-ups that put your family at risk. Share this video with every GM owner you know. It could literally save their life. Tell us your story in the comments. Have you experienced GM engine failure? Were you blown off by dealerships? Your experience could be the smoking gun that brings down this entire cover-up. The automotive establishment doesn't want this story told. GM's lawyers are probably drafting cease and desist letters as we speak. But we won't be silenced, not when 147,000 families are driving around in potential death traps. Stay tuned. Our investigation into GM's cover-up is just getting started, and what we uncover next could change the automotive industry forever. Remember, your engine might be fine today, but tomorrow, that's a gamble GM is betting you'll lose. Don't be their next victim.